Okay, this video is going to give you a quick introduction to what is called normal distribution. Alright, namely it is going to be a table called standard normal distribution. Alright, and actually, as you can see, got a whole bunch of numbers. Alright, and basically what these numbers are, they are nothing more than actually the area under this curve called the normal distribution. Alright, now depending on what kind of book you use, you may come across a table or graph that looks a little bit different than this. For example, I have an example of another one that looks like this. Right? And if you compare that with our earlier one, is that the two are giving you different part of the graph in terms of the area. Okay, for example, the one that we saw earlier gives you the area starting from 0, the center, to a specified z value. Okay, and because it's right side of 0, it's going to be all positive z's. Right, so you see no negative z's on this table. Okay, the other one that I came across, okay, this one actually starts out with a negative z. Okay, so here, as you can see, the z is on the left side. Okay, and as you can see, the z start out negative. This actually continues on, so it starts from like negative 3.49 is the lowest that you have, and it actually goes up, and it continues on to this next one. All right, and now here the z is moved on to the positive side, and as you can see in the picture, the area that is giving you is all from the specified z all the way to the left of it. All right. Okay, the table that I like to use is the first one that I showed you. Okay, I think this one simplifies it, and basically all you really need is just one of the two, and I'm going to basically use this table. All right. Okay, so again, this table gives you so-called the area underneath this curve starting from 0 to specify z. So I have a little sample problem right up here. Okay, so here's a normal curve starting from 0, and I specify the z to be 0.81, and I want to know what is this so-called the area underneath the curve. Okay, and before we begin, I want to remind you that the entire curve, the area underneath is 100% or 1.00. Okay, so the answer to these can never exceed 100%, and also hope you can see that area can never go to a negative. All right, so all the answers must stay between 0 and 1. Okay, so this question, 0.81. What we need to do is that here this z that I specified is 0.81, so we need to find this z in our table. And to do that, we start out with this table. Look under the column z, where it gives you the decimal up to the 10th. Okay, so go to 0.8, and the 100th place for this z is 0.01. So we go across. So 0.8, first column is 0.80, next one is 0.81. That's what we want, and it gives us the value of 0.2910. Okay, what that means is this area here, that I shaded, is 0.2910. Okay, what that means is this shaded portion is about 29.1% of the entire curve. That's basically what it means. Alright, so hope you know now how to use this table. Again, first you look under the decimal, look for the 10th, and then now you go across at the top and look for this proper 100th digit. Okay.